Today is November 25th, 2025. I just got home from work. It's a little after 1 a.m. And here's the finished stonework that Andrew did from Complete Hardscapes. He's got some gapping that he has to take care of tomorrow. He's going to grind all the gaps evenly and grout in between the stones. And then he'll give it a rinse. We'll let it have to dry for a few days before we can really walk on it a lot. So that's the preliminary finish, and we just need grouting to be done, and then we'll be finished. So Andrew's back to do the final grout work, and today will be the last day of the project, and it will be complete. Andrew's done for the day. He took all the extra supplies with him. He's got everything battened down. He got all the grouting done. And he's going to come back in an hour and double check everything and then turn off the heater and let it sit overnight and let everything dry. So rather than show you where we are with it right now, I'm going to wait till tomorrow when everything is dry and we can get a really good look at it.